Should I come help him? Hey, what's up? It's my baby.
Where's the plates on it?
Oh, you don't need plates to travel. I just found out this law that you don't even need plates.
Where's the plates for the vehicle?
I just found out you don't even need plates.
Do you know
to
anybody
travel.
that lives right here?
No, it broke down right
Charles
here.
41. We're in front of 1409 Almano.
But yeah, I'm just filming for my safety because I know you're
don't
filming
mind
too.
if you're filming, but I need your IDs.
Yeah, I don't need to give my ID to anyone.
No, I'm going to ask you for your ID, and I'm going to ask you both all to present it. You're over here up on the curb.
I didn't break any law.
Get them on. Charles 41, 1020 on an Oregon plate.
Here, let me give you my paper. You want to film this for me, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Please make sure you keep filming. If I get arrested, just... Yeah.
Fruits everywhere.
Here's my information.
Okay, I need to see your identification. Go ahead.
I didn't break any law.
You're up on the curb. Your car's parked. This part is parked up on the sidewalk as well. Go ahead and get your IDs, please.
Yeah, I didn't break any law.
Sir, do you understand what I'm asking you for?
I have my right to privacy.
No, not in this case. You have cars parked that shouldn't be here up on the curb line. Go ahead. I'm waiting for it.
I didn't break any law.
Go ahead.
If you want, you can have my name. My name's on here.
Is it right here?
Yeah.
Is your date of birth on here?
Yeah.
Okay. How about yours, ma'am? This will just go faster. You're delaying what you want to do. Is probably get on your way or get help or whatever we need to do for you. But I need to identify you first.
For what law did we break?
You're on the sidewalk. I already told you that.
That's under the color of law. That's a statute.
Go
in the
ahead.
code. We didn't break any laws.
Sir.
What did I do? Why do I need
you have
to
your?
Is
do
this
you
Nazi
have
Germany?
ready?
Why do you need my papers? This isn't Nazi Germany. This is
Charles
America.
41. Go ahead. That was 10-6 here.
You're a public servant with a peacekeeper, right? So why do I need to give you ID? What did I do wrong?
10-4.
This is all you need. I feel comfortable giving you this.
How about you, ma'am?
She doesn't need to talk to anyone.
Let me see your ID, ma'am.
I speak for her. I'm her counsel.
Ma'am, let me see your ID.
You don't answer any questions.
I don't answer any questions.
Okay, you refuse to answer my questions.
She doesn't
I
need
have
to
to
answer
do
any
what I
questions.
do.
She
Sir,
doesn't- she
you
didn't
guys
do
are
anything.
parked here. You do need to give me some
This
identification.
is a free country. I can do whatever I want.
It's not.
So can you.
What you think you're doing is not right. You can't just
talking-
park
just
up
living
on
my
the
life?
sidewalk.
How is
you're
that illegal?
parking wrong way. We can tow your vehicles. It's not a problem.
Tow it. I will get it back and I'll sue the city for stealing my vehicle.
It's not stealing it.
It's not even a vehicle. It's
disabled.
actually a private automobile.
Ma'am, you got your ID? You're refusing to give me any ID?
She doesn't answer any questions. I mean, I'm giving you my name. If that's not enough for you, this is tyranny.
Charles 41. I have a verbal off of a piece of paper that says secured party declaration and notice.
I have more stuff for you here if you want. I don't subject to any of this.
Hold on.
Hello.
Last of Victor Adam Union, George Henry Tom,
I need you to ask
first of John Ocean, Edward
I was just sitting
Lincoln,
here about
middle of Allen,
my private automobile.
second middle of Larson, Lincoln Adam Robert, Sam.
Well, I'm in the roadway. I need you to move.
Date of birth is 11/4 of 87.
Stay safe over here.
Male.
You guys are peacekeepers, right?
Yep.
So I'm just trying to fix my private automobile here, and he's demanding ID from me.
Well,
this is America.
Is this your
This
vehicle?
isn't. This is my private automobile.
Okay.
It's not a vehicle. I don't
Are you
participate.
the owner of the vehicle?
I don't participate in commerce. This is my private consumer good.
Listen to what I'm saying. You're parked the wrong way, and you're obligated to provide your identification because of that
Can I
violation.
have his ID?
Do you understand?
Just keep filming, babe. I don't need to answer any questions to anyone.
You're obligated to provide ID because you're parked the wrong way. That's a violation in California.
Yeah, I gave him my identification.
Okay. That's fine.
That's all you need to have. This is
Exactly.
not Nazi Germany.
No.
I don't have to give my papers to anyone.
What papers?
I don't have to give my ID or anyone to anyone. You're operating under the color of law.
Oh, here's another guy.
Where is he?
You have your ID on you, sir?
This has nothing to do with these guys are doing nothing wrong.
Respectfully declining to answer any questions.
Okay,
I have
they're
more
parked up on
documents
the
here with my
sidewalk.
information.
Can you move your vehicle? Is it able to be moved?
I can move my automobile.
Which one?
This one is out of service. I'm here to fix
Okay, why? How did you end up right here?
Because this broke down yesterday.
Here?
Yeah.
And then how did this get here? Just
I'm
came
coming
over
to tow my truck. If it doesn't start after me putting this thing in here, I'm towing it.
Let me check this.
This is my private automobile. I don't even need
So
plates on
you
it.
did give him your ID though, right?
Yeah, I gave him.
It's verbal. I'm going to verify him through the MDT.
You have photo ID? Makes it easier for us.
I use that when I need it.
Okay.
Right now, I don't need it.
Well,
If we don't stand up for our rights, they're going to be stripped away from us.
you're obligated to provide your photo ID to verify.
I have
your
the right to
identity.
privacy. I have the right to plead the fifth.
Not in this case.
Yeah,
This is a parking violation.
This is
and
a
because
parking
you're an
violation. I'm not breaking any law.
This is a parking violation.
This is not a law, though. You're working.
It is.
This is a statute and a code.
It's a California law that you're parked wrong.
No, you're working under the color of law.
You're
I'm not hurting
you're absolutely
anybody.
Wrong.
I'm not absolutely. I'm not hurting anyone. There's no victim here. There's no crime committed.
Okay. Well, we'll go ahead and cite it, and you want to pay your $50. That's fine.
Yeah, I mean, if you guys want to give me a ticket, that's fine. I was going to move it. If you guys want to be like that, I
No,
mean,
you're
we
being
need
a
to
jerk
work
here.
together. Why do we keep having this mean against you thing?
And I'm good for it.
There's a reason I
I'm
have
going
these
to go verify
documents.
his ID, and then I'll do that.
Okay.
Oh,
I'll work with you too.
it's so stinky. Can you do a better film? Like keep it sideways? Thank you.
What was in that film?
This is only for my safety. You've seen what happens to people when they are just living their life. They get attacked. There's tyranny going on. We have to stand up for our rights. Even our peacekeeper here. If you're out cleaning your car and someone comes up to you, you're parked the wrong way. Okay, I'll move it. All right? I don't even need license plates on my private automobile to travel down the road. You need license plates to drive. That's called participating in commerce. I'm not participating in commerce today. I'm a private automobile. I'm not for hire. So just have this be on the record. Just have this be on the record. If I get arrested, this is kidnap. I charge $20,000 an hour for my time. If anything gets broken here, I charge $50,000 per item. No, I
Do you have
don't.
any paperwork for that vehicle?
I just bought it. This is my private automobile. I don't need paperwork for it.
You do. It's parked on the street.
This is my street. The same as your street.
Let me just say, if
It's not Nazi Germany.
if it's not registered.
With the DMV,
Yep.
the DMV is commerce. I'm not participating in
Okay.
commerce.
Well, under the law,
No,
it can get towed.
go
if
get
it's not
Black's Law
registered.
Dictionary, second edition right now, and show me the difference between vehicle and private automobile. I don't need a driver's license or a driver's license plate.
You need registration tags.
No, I don't. You don't need that.
That's your
It says it
belief.
right here. Under law, there's case laws right here.
That's
pretty eye-opening.
Read it yourself. Don't be in denial. Open your mind about
being
this.
duped by the
The
DMV.
DMV is corrupt.
What state is that?
I'm not talking about states.
Okay. Well, this is
I'm
state of
operating
California.
under the Constitution.
All right.
The state of California is a
Whatever you
corporation.
believe, sir. I mean,
It's not
you're
a belief.
misinformed.
It's the law.
You're misinformed.
You get Black's Law Dictionary
Okay.
yourself. I thought I was misinformed until I looked up the
operate
law.
under the California Vehicle Code and the United States
No, no, you
Constitution.
don't. You took an oath when you swore into the Constitution
Exactly.
getting your job.
Yeah.
You answer to that.
Yeah, I
None
will.
of those go over the law of the
I've
Constitution, the
done this
freedom
for
to travel.
a number of years.
Okay,
If-
I've been brainwashed for a number of years too.
Well, I apologize for that.
It sucks. The
it does.
DMV is corrupt. The DMV takes our titles and they crush the titles and they give us certificates of titles. The DMV is corrupt and we're taking them down. We don't need a
We're all
plate
being
to
duped
travel
by 'em.
freely. These are my household consumer goods to do whatever I need to do for the day.
Thank you.
This is harassment. Can I fix my truck and get it out of here or what?
Ask him if we're being detained.
Am I being detained? Am I free to go?
Yeah, this is harassment.
Is it filming?
Mm-hmm.
The whole time.
I'm wearing my pajamas.
There's might be another.
Oh my god.
I'll get arrested for this. I'm standing up for my rights. I already gave him my name. That's already more harassment, you know? You don't have to give anyone your
You
name.
want some counsel for us?
Is that organic?
Do you have durian?
Do you have anything organic?
Durian.
No organic? Organico? Fruta.
Durian.
Frutas. Fruta? No, ice cream, no bueno. Ah, pachinga, maringa.
Gracias.
I hope you have your license to do commerce
Nice.
and insurance.
Participating in commerce.
Nice.
I got my eyes on him. Selling our children ice cream and shit. Toxic. I just get upset when I see people poisoning our children with ice cream.
You guys all from Oregon?
I don't answer any questions.
Okay. All right, so I guess our conversation's over then, right?
I would love to talk to you, but not about that. I want to talk about deep stuff.
Some fun stuff.
I want to go deep, man.
Interesting, yeah.
I'm tired of what's going on,
Enlighten
man.
me.
I'm tired of these
Can eat
DMVs
fruits
taking over us,
again.
man, and these
Well-
corporations. You guys work for the DMV. You don't work for us
if
anymore.
you hear what we have to say, I mean,
I heard what you have to say, and it's not the law. I don't need a license plate on my private automobile to travel freely, unmolested on these roads, freely. I need a
You're living in
driver's
America,
license. I need a driver's license and a driver's plate to participate in commerce. Look up Black's Law Dictionary, driving and traveling.
absolutely wrong, sir.
I need to get Black's Law Dictionary on me so I can just be like, here you go.
Isn't that from it though?
This is all from Black's Law Dictionary, but I need the book because he doesn't believe me. Why do you think I have all this stuff printed out here?
These guys.
I don't answer any question.
You gotta film it sideways though, it won't come out right.
Oh.
I don't want to edit this video.
You might have to get some rotate apps.
I need you to be filming too, man. It's just, we have to hold these guys accountable for harassment. What time is it?
I don't know, I think 10:30.
It's 10:30 a.m. What's the date? May 11th? May 12th? May 12th, 10:30 a.m.
It's Friday.
It's Friday. I don't know what's going on here. I'm being harassed.
It's cold.
I'm just trying to fix my truck. I'm a hardworking being out here, sovereign. I don't answer to these guys. To hold it like this.
Yeah.
Boom. It's freezing cold out here, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it gets hypothermia.
Oh my god, it's so cold. Can I borrow one thing? Can you hold this, please?
Under what?
So,
Why is my private automobile being towed?
Parked up on the sidewalk, it's disabled here on the sidewalk.
Okay, I'll have it towed myself. I don't need your
Not
tow.
have it towed, we're towing.
I don't request your service.
It's okay, you don't have
All right, so let this be known. They're illegally stealing my vehicle. I charge $20,000 per hour.
It's expired from 2003 is the main concern. That's 22,651.00 share.
All right, can you prove your jurisdiction that it needs a license plate to travel on the road?
You should ask for his badge number.
And can I request your badge number, sir, and your name?
Yeah, it'll be on this form.
Okay.
Please don't come any closer and interfere with me because
All
then
right.
you're interfering.
You're,
So back
I'm not
off.
interfering with anything. This is my
Well,
private
it's getting
automobile.
towed and I already told you to get back.
I need to talk to your
If you
supervisor.
do not get back, I'll arrest you.
I didn't do anything illegal.
Do not get close.
I'm
to
hanging
me.
out
Go
during.
back to your
I'm trying
car.
to get my truck right now. I'm towing
Hear me?
it.
Go back to your car.
I'm here getting my
Go
truck.
back to your car.
You gonna listen? Step back,
Go
please.
back to your car.
All right, man. If you're gonna illegally kidnap
Go
my.
back to your
All
car.
right, if you're kidnapping my truck, I got
You
this all
guys
on
go
film.
back to your car and start moving that car.
So I'm free to go.
No, not well.
Am I
Yeah,
free to
you
go?
are.
You're stealing my truck?
Go.
Okay.
We would like to give you paperwork for it.
Yeah. Can I get my paperwork back from him actually, so I can go? I'm just gonna call the sheriff and get him out here because this is illegal what you guys are doing.
Yeah, I feel like we're being harassed right now.
I got this all on film. I did nothing. You guys are really in the wrong. And if you take my truck, I'm suing both of you. I'm bringing you both to court.
Can we get his badge number too?
And there are public servants who are not even giving us their badge number. Can I get your badge number, man?
Not yet. Stand back.
So you're refusing your badge number to me.
I will give it to you in a moment.
This is the public requesting it. You work for me. And you're stealing my truck. What's he doing now? Giving me a ticket? Come on,
We'll
man.
stand back here and we'll wait for the badge number.
It's just a material object. Take it. Can you keep filming for me?
Mhm.
It's just hard, you know?
It's hard.
When you're getting
I
jacked,
know.
when you're legally being jacked by some thugs, it's hard.
Do the smile on your face, baby.
What do you do when they take your truck?
There's nothing I can do. They're kidnapping it.
And then you can go to where?
I don't know. I've never been carjacked before right in front of my face. You tell me something illegally I done. I mean, these guys are going to court if they take my truck. For
really?
sure.
They
Yes.
go.
Oh yeah.
And they have to pay you.
You said how much?
$20,000 an hour.
Really?
$20,000.
And that
Really?
truck is worth $20,000. So if anything's broken or if I don't get it back, I need $20,000 back.
No.
So yeah. I did nothing wrong.
You'll get that in court.
It's amazing.
It's crazy. This is what's happening in America, guys. This is why people are upset.
It does feel like Nazi Germany.
I'm just picking my truck up and look it. I'm about to get arrested for picking my truck up off the side of the street. So guys, I don't blame you when shit hits the fan. That's what they want. They want them against us.
So who's the owner of this car?
I'm the owner of this private automobile.
This one. All right, here's a parking ticket for parking the wrong way.
I will not accept that, but I need a...
And you'll get paperwork from him for the tow.
Okay, I need my paper I gave to him.
He'll give
I
it
think
back
he
to
took
you.
it.
The reason why it's getting towed is because you need
Tell
to
me.
have it registered.
No, I don't.
If you want to deny it, that's fine.
You don't need a
I'm telling
license
you the
plate to
reason.
travel. You need a license plate for
You
commerce.
need registration.
I need jurisdiction proving that I need registration on my private automobile to travel. I'm not participating in commerce. I'm not for hire. It's a private automobile.
Yeah, how do you...
And now he's searching my car. Can you guys get this? He's
Yeah,
going
that's
through
not-
my car
Why
now.
is he going through
Why?
it? You didn't give him permission.
I didn't give him permission to go through my truck.
We don't consent
That's
to
far
search.
as you guys need to go. These guys are being threatened by you. Okay, come back here. Just keep filming him searching my truck illegally.
He's gonna get your badge number too.
You'll get it. We're not leaving until you guys get it.
All right. We're all on the same team.
So for any of you guys that are watching this video on YouTube, please call the local Manolo Park Police if you can get this. Call the local Manolo Park Police. I know I got, 200 subscribers almost. Please, if you guys are watching this, I need you to call the Manolo Park
Why?
Police Department and ask them why are they kidnapping my truck. My name is Joel Vaught, Joelvaught. I'm gonna post this video immediately. He said there's a tow truck coming to get my truck right now. We need to get my truck back. I need this for work. I've spent 2 days trying to get this truck out of here and they're just stealing it. They're claiming that the registration is back. They have no right to
And
steal
they're
my truck.
refusing to get your code and ID
Yeah,
right
they're-
now.
They're
And we're
refusing
asking for
when
it.
I'm asking for their identification. These guys could be thugs. I don't even know who they are.
Yeah.
They're not
They
giving
could be
me their
real
ID.
cops for all we know.
Yeah, I could put a sticker like that on my Ford Explorer. So please help me out, guys. If you could start blowing up their phone and calling them and asking them what the hell's their problem, it'd be awesome. I'll put their phone number in the description box below, as well as my phone number. If anyone can help me get this truck out, it's probably gonna cost like $600 to $1,000, which I plan to get back in court. And you'll see my video coming up when I'm in court fighting this, because this is illegal what they're doing.
You're gonna get some money, dude. I feel it.
I don't even care about the money. This is my time.
Well, the money that you'll spend getting the truck out,
Yeah.
that will at least be reimbursed.
Yeah, I need proof of
Not way
jurisdiction. I need your jurisdiction, courts, that this truck needs a plate to be on the road here. No, I'm just traveling. The plate is for participating in commerce. This is a private automobile. And he just gave me a ticket for this. I didn't even do anything. I just pulled over to get my truck. So
And he's not giving his badge number or his ID.
No.
It's ridiculous.
this is public information. I'm asking
We
if you
should
want to
be
give it to me.
receiving that information right now, not after all this is done. This is corrupt.
So I mean, what do we ought to do to get along here? I mean, this is completely illegal. What's
Give the
going
love
on.
out as best we can. But
I
it's
mean,
hard.
come on. What are the chances that we're in this back suburban area and a cop rolls up and this all happens? This is all happening for a reason. And it's because we need to wake up. This is not cool. I mean, this guy just needs an enema or something, or some fruit, and he would be cool, you know? But he
Yeah,
drank
these
too many
guys are
coffees this
cool.
morning.
These guys are cool. They're just kind of hot-headed.
Yeah, it's in the ego.
About to tease you just for walking up.
Yeah, what did I do? I have all my my necessary paperwork here. This is proof that you don't even need a driver's license on a car.
Dude, it's freaking cold out here. I can't even hold this thing.
All right, well, let's try our best, you know. This is tyranny that's what's going on here. So
Still waiting for the badge. I don't know why they can't give that to us right now.
I'm pretty sure it's illegal. They need to
Quite
give us the
flabbergasted.
information.
Yeah. I really feel like they need to give us that information now, or we should be free to go. Ask them if we're being detained.
So are we being detained? Are we free to go yet?
Are we free to go, or still being detained?
You're waiting on his paperwork, right?
No, you just keep it, man. If he's gonna not give it to you, you can't go grab it.
All right. We also need your badge number and your identification.
Well, then you wait for him. He'll give it to you.
No, we need yours too.
He'll give it to you.
You're not gonna give me your badge number.
You're right here,
He'll
though.
give it to you all in one piece of paper.
All right, I'm calling 911, man. This is
Yeah, this is really bad. This is so corrupt. We can't get your badge number. I don't understand.
Yeah, that's the correct.
Hey, what's going on?
And this is a
Just keep
Dodge,
filming
right?
it.
Yeah, but it's coming back with the correct thing because at one point Dodge and
Okay,
Mercedes made vans together.
I got it.
Mhm.
So are the plates on this vehicle correct?
Don't answer questions.
All right.
So do you want to get your wood off the back? Anything from the vehicle?
Yes, of course.
Good.
What?
If I can call a sheriff out here, I need a sheriff out here.
What does he do?
This is so corrupt. We asked him like 5 times for his ID and badge number, but refused to give it to us, even though he's asking for our ID. Doesn't make any sense to me.
And what does
This is where our tax money's going. To this.
Oh.
Yep.
And what does Jojo do now?
What do you mean? Jojo?
Mm-hmm.
What's he gonna do now?
Yeah, what does he do now? Who's calling?
Well, just go with the flow. I don't know.
Over here, and there's
He's
nothing
calling the
saying
police,
I can't
actually.
the
park
police.
He's
here.
calling the police.
And I need a sheriff over here immediately. They're not giving me their badge numbers. I'm filming this whole thing. I'm holding everyone here.
It's amazing. Kale chips. Again, kale chips. Some fruit.
Hey, you're gonna keep filming this?
Yes.
You film me talking, please. Hello. Hey, this is I need a sheriff or a supervisor that I can talk to because do you have a supervisor? Yeah. Please, I don't want this to escalate and I don't want to have to sue you guys in court, so if we can get this all resolved right here. Thank you, and you know where we're at? Can you repeat the streets that I'm at?
Hamilton,
Thank you, sir. God bless you. Thank you for holding your oath. You too. Bye.
What happened?
I got a sergeant coming out here. This
What?
is silly. He just searched my truck illegally. He's
Yeah.
ticketing me illegally.
Yeah, you didn't consent to the truck search.
No, this is all illegal.
They're not giving their ID or their badge number.
And what they do now?
They're they're trying to take my car right now.
And they're refusing. They feel a little guilty, so that's why they're refusing to give out their ID and their badge.
Yeah. I did nothing wrong. They're requesting my ID. I did nothing wrong.
We were peaceful with them in the beginning.
So I'm out of business cards, but if you look at the citation that I handed to you,
I will not touch that. I cannot.
My name and my badge number is on it.
I'm requesting you to give me your name and your badge number.
Now,
you work for me.
It's on the citation.
The public
I already
hires you
gave
guys.
it to you.
I don't want to look at that citation. It has nothing to do with me.
I'll give it to you again.
Please. I mean, this is why there's so much escalation going on. But you don't see the bigger picture, that the powers that be are causing this. All these stupid YouTube videos are going up because of this stuff is happening, man. I've already been pulled over twice on my YouTube channel with no plates, and the cop lets me go because I don't need a plate to travel.
You absolutely do.
No, I don't. It's the law. Look it up yourself. The right to travel.
I know the law.
I was blown away when I read it too. I was just
It's right here. It's all right here.
What book did you get that from?
This is all from the Constitution in the Black's Law Dictionary.
That's outdated.
This is not outdated.
I don't even know what it
Second
says.
edition.
If you don't want to look at my citation, I won't
This
look
is
at
all
that.
notarized.
Okay. All right.
No law requires you to record or pledge your private automobile. There's no law.
It's called the California Vehicle Code. You're
It's
in
a code.
California.
Codes do not go over the law of the Constitution. You can actually you can be taken out for treason and prison for life for going against the Constitution. Guys,
Did we get his ID?
all right, so he wrote down his ID here. Some scrappy ass language here. PHU, he's a foo, 14437 Manila Park Road.
You must be the sheriff.
No?
This guy's going heavy on your car, dude.
Oh yeah.
It's
It's getting stolen right now.
He's just jacking that for God knows what.
And it's because it's a Cummins. He knows it's worth money.
Yeah,
and
he's
then,
probably taking all the parts out.
well, and then the tow truck company works with these guys. They all make tons of money off this. And this is how they get bonuses, by just basically screwing people over. I know how it works.
He's in his car, just chilling.
And there's going to be police officers watching this video that are thinking, oh, well, they're in the right. No, I did nothing. I just parked here. I just opened the door to my truck. There's nowhere else to park right here. I'm in a 40-foot long private automobile here.
Yeah.
But, you know, this is kind of a longer video. I hope you guys are sticking through it.
You might have to snap a little bit. We'll edit.
You know, if you guys could support me and call the Manolo Park Police Department and ask them why they're illegally taking my truck, please call them immediately. Ask why can't I get his ID number? Why is he searching my truck illegally? What did I do wrong?
Yeah, we didn't consent to
I
any
just
search.
pulled over to open my truck and there's cops swarming me. I'm not a felon. I have nothing to hide.
They're fine tax money.
But guys, we need to work together. When this happens to you, you cannot be angry at the cop. They're just trying to do their job. That's what they think they're doing, but they're working for the DMV. They're enforcing codes and statutes for the DMV license plates. It has nothing to do with travelers. Driver's license plates are for cars that are operating in commerce and are for hire, like Ubers, taxi drivers, pizza delivery, FedEx. This has nothing to do with traveling freely. You can take your whole plate off and travel anywhere you want. You're going to be harassed by police every day. You're going to get pulled over every day, but you need to carry your law with you. This is obviously not enough for some people. You need to get Black's Law Dictionary Edition 2. You also need to get the Constitution with you to prove to them. Just show them the definition of traveling. Show them the definition of private automobile. It has nothing to do with commerce. The DMV takes your title from the manufacturer when it comes out of the factory. They scan it into their database and then they destroy the title. And then they hand the dealership a certificate for title. It's all illegal what they're doing, and we're just falling for it. So, you know, you don't have to pay registration. It has nothing to do with you if you're doing traveling. So I requested a sergeant.
Oh, he's coming. Here's what
I just need to talk with you guys about.
yeah, well, we'll talk with you now.
I need you to prove jurisdiction.
Hold
that
on a second with all the jurisdiction.
I need
talk.
registration.
Hold on a second with that. So it looks like this vehicle was from a dismantler or something. So it was originally expired, but I looked into it further before we're going to start towing your vehicle.
Private automobile.
Yeah, your vehicle.
It's not a vehicle. It's a private
Okay,
automobile.
whatever you want to call
I
it.
can't use these
So
spells
hold on
that they
a second.
use.
Listen, So I'm not going to tow it, but we need you to get it out of here.
That's what I'm here to do.
Okay.
That's
So-
why I have the
So
16,000
why
pound
don't
trailer.
you guys start doing that, and the sergeant will be here in any minute. Okay?
Yeah, and I'm just trying to hold the peace here. We need to start watching ourselves.
Can you get your vehicle and put it in here and start getting your truck?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, thank
Thanks.
you for your time. I appreciate you holding the
But
peace in our
instead of-
neighborhood because you don't know who the hell's out here, and I agree with
Hey,
watching.
but here's the thing. Instead of getting excited, let us do our job and find out some. Without cooperation, we could have gone to this a lot quicker if you presented the paperwork for the vehicle.
This
and
isn't
given me-
Nazi Germany.
It
This
doesn't
is
matter.
America.
It's parked on the
I
sidewalk.
don't need ID.
Okay?
I don't need any of that. I don't need driver's
All I
license
needed was
plates.
that. Go ahead.
Please look up your right to travel yourself. Do your own due
It's
diligence.
very exciting when you.
Because you're going to find more of us waking up without driver's
It
plates.
doesn't matter. Go ahead and take care of your vehicle.
It does matter.
Because
We
I
need
think
to
these
hold
people
ourselves
don't want
accountable.
your vehicles in front of
These
their
are my
house like
family,
this.
man. We all work together. We're all together on this. And we're together with you, too. We need to start fighting this corrupt
You're
DMV.
misinformed about the law. You need plates on your vehicle to drive, okay?
I need plates on my vehicle to drive, but I don't need plates
to
on my
park.
private automobile
park.
to travel on my
you're on-
public
if
roads
you're
that my
on-
family
If
created.
you're on private property, you can do what you want. But once you're out on the public roadway, you need to display license plates or registration.
That's if you're driving. You don't need registration
parked.
drive. Oh, man.
22651 of the California Vehicle Code.
You can look it up right here, man.
Look it up on your
That's
What
for
are
drivers in commerce.
parking.
I
on
don't
a public
participate
street.
in commerce. I'm not a driver. I'm not for hire. This is all private automobile.
You're absolutely ignorant in the law, so you look it up.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, man. Are we free to go? Get my truck out of here?
Yep.
All right, brother.
Thank you
Have
so
a
much.
great day. All right, guys. Thank you. Do not call Manila Park Police unless you're thanking them for being awesome and holding their oath. Y'all take care.
Can I stop?
Yeah. And the force be with you.